Dana Lee as Doc, Bojana Novakovic as Erica, Andy Hoff as Erica's date, Eric Michael Cole as Disgruntled Man, Oakley Lehman and Richard King as Mercedes Gang, Tim Rigby as RR Passenger, No person or entity associated with this film received payment or anything of value or entered into any agreement in connection with the depiction of tobacco products. American Humane monitored the animal action. No animals were harmed. Copyright 2019 Warner Brothers Entertainment Incorporated. All rights reserved. This motion picture is protected under the copyright laws of the United States and other countries throughout the world. Country of first publication, United States of America. Any unauthorized exhibition, distribution, or copying of this film or any part thereof, including soundtrack, may result in civil liability and criminal prosecution. The story, all names, characters, and incidents portrayed in this production are fictitious. No identification with actual persons, places, buildings, and products is intended or should be inferred. Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. This film has been described by Deluxe with funding by Warner Brothers Pictures. Voiced by Laura Post. Warner Brothers Pictures, a Warner Media Company, www.warnerbros.com.
Are you dummies still sitting there? Fine. Since you stuck it out this long, I'll tell you a super duper secret, but you can't tell anyone. Okay, did you know that Batman